Yes, hi, my name is Bernard Brault. I'm a hobbyist and I do some CNC machining. I have a TIG mill and I use software like CAMBAM for 2.5D CAM software, and I have a little bit of a project that's different now. It's my 9-year-old's birthday coming up. He's a big Patriots fan, so my wife's gonna making a cake, and the cake will look like a football field. In the middle of the cake, there'll be the Patriots logo. So here's the logo, and it was quite challenging for her to actually make icing, the white, red, blue icing on the cake. So I decided to give her a hand and use the LCheapo laser to actually cut this profile here in cardboard and use the cut profile as a template, and then apply icing on the cake, and hopefully that's going to work out pretty good. So what I'm going to show you here is how I'm taking, I just picked this image from their website, and what I'm going to do here is this is a JPEG image, so of course it's a some kind of a raster file. It's got pixels, and I need to convert this into something that CAMBAM or a CAM software can read. Those are typically the XF files. So I'm using a bit of a freeware version of something called WinTopo Pro. And so what I'm going to do is open the image, and you'll see it's pretty simple. I open the image, and then the next step I do is to find the edges. So right here, find edges, and it just found the edges. Because this is a pro version, if I say create some vectors out of it, try to save the file, and so on, it's going to ask me for a license and some money and so on. So I'm just going to take a screen capture of this and then use their free version. And then basically in the free version, just paste, and here's the free version image. And then I'm going to use a simply vectorize the image. It says use one touch vectorize. There you go. So let's hide the background image. And here's the DSX vector. So as you can see, it's looks pretty good to me. I'm going to save this. Save the vector as let's call this Patriot 5. And then I'm going to go to CAMBAM. As you can see, I'd already imported it, but let me just open Patriot 5 right here, and there it is. And after that, you see it's got little artifacts like this right here, and you could delete that and just play around with it, delete this entity. But basically from here, what I'm going to do is create a machine operation, and the machine operation will be a contour that the laser is going to follow and make cutout on the board. And I'll show you eventually what the cake looks like. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care.